Claus Mortensen, a business developer in Food and Biocluster Denmark. I've had the opportunity to work with Sajjad and UpFood for the last 3 to 4 years. He gets all my recommendations. He's very coachable and he gets things done. And from a market perspective, the upcycle ingredients is definitely something that we see a huge need for in our member base of the 290 members we have in our cluster. So best of luck, Sajjad. Thanks. Bye.
Hi, my name is Sajjad Haider. I'm founder and CEO of UpFood. Every year, almost 50% of fruits and vegetables produced in the world are wasted because due to the high moisture content of fruits and vegetables, they need to be consumed, processed, or stored immediately. In the aftermath of COVID-19 pandemic and growing human population, food security is one of the main challenges for the mankind today. We need to find a solution for our food waste. UpFood is a food tech company that upcycles surplus produce into plant-based ingredients at lowest cost possible and also at minimum CO2 footprint. Food upcycling is a growing trend. In 2019, the upcycled foods had a market size of $47 billion with a CAGR of 5% over the next 10 years. However, most of the companies involved in upcycling today are facing two major challenges. Firstly, they need to develop their own sustainable supply chain. And secondly, they source their raw materials mostly from food distributors and supermarkets. This often results in higher cost of raw materials and production costs requiring premium price listing for their products. UpFood aims to upcycle surplus produce at farms and food industry. This is also very challenging because they are often in remote locations with limited infrastructure, and also the surplus is generated in very large volumes. UpFood has developed its proprietary drying technologies that can be deployed in remote locations right at the source of the surplus and have the capacity to process large quantities, and also utilizes the renewable energy resources. The drying process removes the moisture from the perishable food and upcycle them into stable dried products that are significantly reduced in the weight and the volume, and they can be transported from remote locations without depending on the road conditions. Our upcycled ingredients can then be utilized as dried foods, food ingredients, as raw materials for extraction of bioactive compounds like colors, flavors, etc. And they can also be used as biomaterials. Although we have started right now within the B2C market, but we are also hoping that our main market, where we see our 70% of sales, will be from our business in the B2B segment, where we will be supplying the upcycled ingredients to different food companies. In June 2021, we started to list our dried fruit snacks in supermarkets in Denmark. These snacks are 100% natural and without any preservatives, and produced from the farms that are located in Denmark and Sweden. In Q3 2021, we are also going to introduce a nutrient-rich flour that is upcycled from the organic fruit pulp from the juice industry. This flour can be added to the bakery products to improve their nutrition profile, because today, if you look into the different bakery products, especially the products within the cakes and pastry segments, they are very low in nutrition. And by adding this the flour that we have made, we will increase the nutrition profile of these products. In Q4, we will introduce a prebiotic product in the nutraceutical markets, and this product is also based on upcycled ingredients. In our team, we have capabilities within engineering, within the food technology, and also within the mechanical engineering design. And also we have a new colleague who is working within the sales development. We are seeking a funding of around $500,000 US, and the funding will be utilized for our market expansion and growth to the next level, where we want to expand to the other countries, especially starting from the Scandinavia, and then go to the Europe, and then to the remaining part of the world. Thank you.